This is the making of 216 Yahtzee here. So I just finished cutting all the acrylic pieces out. They're way bigger than I thought. Whoops. Whatever. And I modified the design to be shorter so next time I make one of these, or if you guys want to check out the comments and make your own, it will be a little smaller than this. Okay. So I've got NeoPixels here. I've got 60 per meter and 30 per meter, right? I'll cut some of that up in just a second. I've got 7 buttons, 5 for the hold for the dice, and 2, one for reset and one for roll or shuffle, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm gonna pull all that off, and then let's see. So we have the base here with just holes on the side, right? This is the bottom piece, the part that actually holds all the NeoPixels in. The middle piece to give the light some area to go and to hold the nuts for the buttons. And then we have the diffuser plate with still holes for the buttons. This is like way off visually than what I imagine it from the design, but I don't know. I do that sometimes. I lose track of perspective. Okay, so let's put it together in the right way. So this is the top right here. See, this goes underneath it, right? Okay, we're going to diffuse everything. And then this goes all the way on bottom here. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to take my standoffs and install them here. There we go. A little bit of a struggle there, but we got it. Cool. Okay. Gonna hit the other corner now. Just makes sense. Maybe. Goodness. Okay. They cut slightly different. Wonder what happened there. Huh. Okay. I'll flip this over, see if that fixes it. Then I'll have to go straight to my laser. Okay. So you putting this one back in here. And now everything lines up. Yeah, so my laser's slightly parallelogram. Okay. That's right. That's an easy fix. Okay. Okay. So we got all the standoffs on here now. And now we need to place the pixels. So what I'm going to do here is data line's always going to go this way. Okay. So if I look at here, data line will go this way. So first set is 30 per meter. Gonna open this up here. Just measure it to the pixels here. Boy, that's a tight fit. Yeah, that might be too tight. Okay. Well, oh, I see. Okay. No, it's a tight fit because of the sticky back. Kind of annoying, whatever. So, whenever I order these things from China myself, I order no splices and no sticky back. It's all just plain roll, and I can put my own sticky on it. I can use like super glue. I can do whatever I want to attach these things. Okay. So let's see. Data is going this way, but I want it to go this way. So I'm going to flip it over here. Now let's see if it'll fit. There we go. That's a much better fit. Cool. All right. Okay. Let's see. Should I? I think I want to tape it down, actually, just to make it easy and fast. Okay. Little piece of tape in the middle just to hold it. See, those two are in there. You guys get to watch me struggle here with this. Okay, hold that there for a second. So I'm going to get one more for the other side. There we go. Okay. And I assume I'm going to have to take off the sticky back, or the protective for the sticky back. Boy, I wish I could just remove the sticky back real easy. All right, so make sure the data's going the same way. All right, so data's going this way. So on here, data's going that way. Just going to sort of place it there for a second, grab some tape. There we go. Okay, and now the 60 per meter. So you measure this out. Of course, it doesn't want to fit because of the sticky back. Cutting in between the copper pads here. There we go. All right. Something like that. See if I can get my hands free. Maybe. Okay. Get a piece of tape ready. And then I'm going to struggle with getting it down. All right, now I'm going to hit the edges here. There we go. And then one more. All right. Got that held down. Let's see, I think I got a strategy now. I'm going to start this here. Get these LEDs in the hole. Do that again. There we go. And one more time here. There we go. All right. Okay, got that. I'm gonna have a hard time accessing the pads, so I'll probably have to do a nice line along this thing, and then twist the pads up. Okay, there we go. Then I'll put one in the middle here. Then a little piece to fill that in. All right. And then sticking down all this tape. My quick, easy way to do this. And then I'm gonna need access to that black strip. I can access these white strips here. There we go. Let's see, I'm gonna try to get like exactly across this. See if I can do that. Nope. I covered up one of the button holes, but that's all right. Okay. Let's see, there we go. And then I didn't even check the direction on this. Hopefully it's the right direction. Nope, it's opposite direction. That's all right. I'll just fix that in coding. How funny of me. I get so caught up with one struggle that I make other struggles for myself. Okay. Okay. I don't know. It'll be easier to solder, but I mean, it's all going to be a subroutine to program it, so I guess it won't be that bad. Okay. So now I've got these curled up. I've got these curled up. Okay. Now, if I did this right, these nuts should just pop right in. Perfect. Cool. So I'm going to use the white buttons down here. There we go. Sweet. Maybe I'll preload all these first. There we go. Oh, I'm struggling to get it in there. This is the one I covered with tape. Okay, the backside's getting caught on tape here. There we go. Okay. Then one more button here. Perfect. Now I'm going to tighten them up a little bit. All right. So here we go. We got the strips down with tape, and that's all right. We got the buttons all set up. All right. Cool. And then we're going to have to talk a little bit about power consumption over this too, because we have a lot of LEDs. So what I'm going to do here, I just started the soldering iron up. I'm not going to make you watch all that, but basically, data is going to come in over here and then come out of here, come to this strip, come down, and then come up to this one and go this way, okay? And then the buttons, ground on one side, I'll probably do, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for that. And then this will be A0 or 14 for data for the NeoPixels, all into an Arduino Nano. So I'm going to wire all that up. Next video, we'll show it all wired. Hopefully by now, you can follow those sort of steps. See you in the next video.